Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Puppy Bowl 17 will air this Sunday, February 7th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 11 a.m. Pacific Time, ahead of Super Bowl 55 between the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the Kansas City Chiefs, which kicks off at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 3:30 p.m. Pacific Time on CBS. As an added bonus, viewers can tune into the hour-long Puppy Bowl 17 pregame show at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can watch on Animal Planet at 2 p.m. Eastern or live stream it on Fubo TV, free 7-day trial, Hulu Plus Live TV, free trial, or Discovery Plus. This year's game features 70 adoptable puppies divided into two teams, Team Rough and Team Fluff, each vying for the coveted Chewy Lombardi trophy. See what they did there?
Let's help you make your mark.
Hallmark Channel hosts the nation's most beloved rescue pet adoption event of the year when Kitten Bowl 8 premieres exclusively on Sunday, February 7, 2021, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, PT. Stern's tireless year-round efforts to find homes for animals makes her a synergistic fit to lead the charge for Kitten Bowl 8.
Let's help you make your mark.
This will be the 21st Super Bowl on CBS, the most of any channel. It will also be the last during the current broadcast agreement that expires after 2022 and feature the three-network rotation of CBS, NBC and Fox, which broadcasted last year's game.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.